And for the first time, we're hearing from the father connected to a Madison child abuse case.
The parents appeared in court without attorneys this morning. Now, new information suggests more about the father's intentions surrounding the investigation. Andy Choi continues our coverage.
Eric, shortly after today's preliminary hearings, we learned of a fund set up for the 15-year-old girl at the center of these child abuse cases. We also learned the father of the victim has plans to cooperate with authorities.
They indicated that you were ineligible for public defender representation.
The state public defender's office says Chad Critten's assets exceeded the limit to qualify for public counsel, which is why the 40-year-old appeared alone at his preliminary hearing.
Still trying to understand how this all works.
And it may have resulted in Critten speaking with candor regarding his intentions moving forward.
I've been wanting to sit with the police to help their investigation, but I just, because of my learning disabilities and comprehension difficulties, wanted to have an attorney present.
Critten's case will be on hold for a week after Judge Amy Smith advised him to seek an attorney from the county before proceeding.
I think it would probably be wise to wait till you have counsel appointed for you before you take any affirmative steps in any regard on this case.
I wouldn't say that the timing affects the case. This happens at times, and the court will move this case along as fast, or these cases as fast as it can.
Critten's wife, Melinda Draybeck Critten, also appeared without counsel. Both parents are accused of torturing and starving their 15-year-old daughter for years in the basement of their Madison home.
Our efforts to see her, when we found out that she was there in 2009, have been thwarted by Mr. Critten. We've made numerous attempts to have contact.
Relatives of the victim say a trust for the girl, known in court only as SLC, will help provide relief.
A trust has been established which will be used for enriching and enhancing the quality of SLC's life, especially supplemental and extra health care not otherwise available.
And the voice you heard last, that's Tanya Hansen, the cousin to the victim's biological mother. Hansen tells me she set up the trust through Madison law firm Foley and Lardner. I spoke with the firm today, who tells me independent trustees will handle this fund. Hansen also tells me she has not seen the abused teen since the victim was 5 or 6 years old. Donations to the trust should be made out to Building the Future for SLC Trust and sent to Marine Credit Union, P.O. Box 510, Waupun, Wisconsin 53963. Donations can also be made to any Marine Credit Union. The cases against Critten and Draybeck Critten continues at a status conference set for next Friday at 11 a.m. That's where the court will decide whether to schedule preliminary hearings at a later date.
Okay, thank you, Andy.